Doctor and patient English. Conversation.
Patient. Hi, I have an appointment.
Receptionist. Hey, what's your name?
Patient. My name is Ibrahim.
Receptionist. Ibrahim, please wait. The doctor will see you soon.
Doctor. Hey Ibrahim, what's wrong?
Patient. I have a stomachache.
Doctor. How long have you had the stomachache?
Patient. For 2 days.
Doctor. Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Doctor. Okay. Please take off your shirt. I'll check your blood pressure.
Patient. Okay.
Doctor. Your blood pressure is fine. Now, I'll check your temperature. Doctor. Ibrahim, you have acidity. I'll give you some medicine.
Patient. Okay, thank you.
Doctor. Remember to eat light food and drink plenty of water.
Patient. Thank you, doctor.
Doctor. You're welcome, Ibrahim. Take care.
Make sure to practice your English conversation skills every day to become a fluent speaker. We're hardworking to bring you the best English learning content. Your support and feedback mean a lot to us. Keep loving and keep watching our videos to improve your English skills and make it easy to communicate with anyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. We'll see you in the next video.